Hello guys, this is Harish Nagar and today I am going to talk about Ruskin Bond. Guys, Ruskin Bond was born in the year 1934 and he is currently alive. He is an Indian author of British descent. So he is an Indian but then his family was from Britain and he lives with his adopted family in Missouri in India. Now guys, in this lecture I have made an effort to talk about Ruskin Bond in a very brief manner and I could tell all the important works and some important incident related to his life. Now, most of his work are influenced by his life in the hill station. Now, he considered himself as a visual writer. That means he said that I first imagine a short story like a film and then I note it down. So he is a visual writer and he is famously known for writing children's books. So he wrote children classic, and guys, specifically he is important because of the creation of the character Rusty. Just like R.K. Narayan is famous for the creation of Malgudi, similarly we have Ruskin Bond, very famous for the creation of Rusty. So Rusty is the name of the main protagonist that will appear in the most of the work of Ruskin Bond, and Rusty stories have been adopted into Doordarshan TV serial also. Name of that serial is Ek Tha Rusty. सो एक था रस्टी के नाम से दूरदर्शन टीवी पर एक सीरियल भी आता था. रस्किन बॉन्ड मेड अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस इन विशाल भारद्वाज मूवी दैट इज सात खून माफ. सो रिमेंबर दैट ही also made a special appearance in the movie. Apart from that guys, he has received Padam Shri, Padam Vibhushan and also Sahitya Academy Award. Now guys, in this particular lecture I shall be talking about three works of Ruskin Bond. The first work is Room on the Roof. This was published in 1957 and in this particular work the important part is that he wrote this book when he was just 17 and he got it published when he was 21. So can you believe guys, he wrote such an amazing work at the age of 17 and the work is partly based on his experience at Dehradun. Guys, and he also talked about his friends and how he used to spend his days. So Rusty is a popular fictional character which is created by Ruskin Bond, and Rusty is the most important character in this work, Room on the Roof. He is an orphan 16-year-old Anglo-Indian boy. Anglo-Indian boy means a boy who is living in India but then he is also a part of Britain. So guys, he is living in Dehradun and you can see Rusty and Ruskin Bond are same. He is just using the character but he is also talking about his own life in the disguise of the character of Rusty. So Rusty is an orphan 16-year-old Anglo-Indian boy living in Dehradun. He is orphan and has no real family. He starts to live with his guardian whose name is Mr. John Harrison. Now this man, John Harrison, he is harsh and rude in his manners and Rusty is obliged to follow the orders and rules of his guardian and he does not disobey him. He feels extremely helpless because he knows that he disobey Mr. John, he will be punished. So he does not have any friends and he finds himself very lonely in this guardian's house. And if you look at the European part of Dehradun, you find that he wants to embrace the Indian culture and lifestyle. He is from Britain, but he is so much fascinated towards India that he wants to embrace the culture and he makes friends with some Indian boys. But then he hides this fact from Mr. John because he does not want Mr. John to know about his friends and he goes to meet his friends secretly. Very soon he decided that he is going to run away from the captivity of Mr. John and he wants to go back to England. So Rusty character offers a teenage perspective who is battling with confusion about life, relationship, happiness and love. And it is a very beautiful story, a very light-hearted story, no drama, no pain and just a very simple plain story talking about what goes inside a teenager's brain. So Room on the Roof was written when he was 17. Now guys, the next work which I would like to talk about is Blue Umbrella. This was published in 1980. It has also a very beautiful movie and the movie was directed by Vishal Bhardwaj, Blue Umbrella. It has got the Shahid Kapoor's father as the main person in this movie and it is a very beautiful movie talking about a girl finding a blue umbrella and how she spends her time with that umbrella. So Blue Umbrella was novel on which Vishal Bhardwaj made a movie. Then we have the next work, Scene from a Writer's Life. This was published in 1997. In this particular work, he has described his first 21 years, and the work focused on Ruskin Bond's trip to England, his struggle to find a publisher for the first book, that is Room on the Roof, and how he yearned to come back to India, particularly to Dehradun. So basically, Ruskin Bond himself said for this book that it describes how I became a writer. And finally, I would like to talk about a beautiful short story written by Ruskin Bond. The title of the story is The Eyes Have It. And there is a beautiful line in this story. And the line is, well, it often happens that people with good eyesight fail to see what is right in front of them. They have too much to take in, I suppose. So basically the story is about a blind narrator who is in the train and he is going to a place. Suddenly the train stops at the platform and a girl boards the train. Now the blind narrator, she thinks that the girl is beautiful and he tries to have a conversation and he pretends throughout the journey as if he is not blind. So whenever a girl asks a question, he is answering in such a manner that it does not appear as if he is a blind man. Now it is only after the young woman has left the train, the narrator discovers that the girl, she was also too blind, and every effort that was made by the narrator to hide his own blindness has been in vain. So the young woman would not have actually guessed that the narrator was blind too, and that was the irony of the story. So there is a beautiful line in which he says that sometimes people who are having good eyesight, we fail to see what is there in front of us just because we have so much things to see. That's why we sometimes fail to look at the most important things in our life. Whereas a blind person, since he cannot see anything, he is very eager and he is very attentive to little and minute details, and he notices more than what a person with eyesight would do. So that was a beautiful story written by Ruskin Bond. I would prefer if you can go and read the summary because it is in just a 2-page long story, so you can even read the text if you want. Now guys, we have talked about 3 beautiful works of Ruskin Bond in this lecture, namely Room on the Roof, published in 1957, Blue Umbrella, published in 1980, and Scenes from a Writer's Life, published in 1997. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you guys.